Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video we discussed on the files that we want to work on for us to be able to install and set up our add-on codes successfully. Guys, don't forget that the file you are going to work on depends on the add-on that you want to create. I'm working in system settings page and invoice page because I want to integrate Paystack payment gateway as an add-on. So if you are installing or you are creating an add-on for maybe computer-based tests or live streaming, unlike this we have Zoom integration. Maybe you want to integrate Jitsi or WebEx or Millicast. All right, so the file you are going to work on depends largely on the features that you want to create for your client as an add-on. So guys, let's go to Google. Let's search for something. I want to say integrate Paystack gateway. All right, Paystack gateway PHP. Let's go to GitHub. Okay, we want to go to GitHub. I don't want us to use Yabagon. Okay, so there is one I want us to. Okay, let's use this Trimitech. I'm going to click on that. Let's see what we have there. All right, so never mind all this. These are just code igniter file. What concerns us is application. Let's go to controllers and let's go to paystack.php. Beautiful. So guys, which means that if you want to get the payment information, so you are going to use this. If you want to verify payment, of course we are going to use this. We are going to verify the payment. We are also going to use Paystack standard. Of course you can use Paystack inline, stuff like that, but what we want to use here is Paystack standard and verify payment. Beautiful. So I'm going to open this page for us to use. Okay, so which means that before we can integrate Paystack, we need something, Paystack secret key. All right, so we need Paystack secret key. Don't worry, I have a demo account. I'm going to use my own secret key to facilitate the payment. Okay, so guys, the next thing is that we need to go back to our software and let's start to work with that. So the first thing is that we want to create a page. Okay, so and that page, another controller file that handles that. So guys, let's go back to our text editor. Let's create another controllers file. I'm going to call that payment.php. Oops, the file already exists. So let me open payment.php. Let me see what we have there. Okay, beautiful. So we can equally use this. Okay, so which means that we are going to work with this payment. But before that, guys, let me copy all this file somewhere. Okay, all right, so this is the folder. Let's go to here, school. Let's create a folder. I want to call this folder backup. For now, we are still going to return those files back. So I'm going to work inside the payment. Okay, let me copy that, go to backup, paste it there. Let's go back to views, backend. Let's go to student page. I want to work inside invoice. I'm going to copy that, paste it. So I'm going to go back to views, backend, admin, system setting. I want to copy this also. Let's paste it to backup. Good. So when we are done working with all the files, what next is that we are going to back those new files up, zip them to a folder as an add-on, and get all these files back and return them back. The client will have access to all these old files. It is until when they now install the add-on, that is when they can have access to the new files. Okay, you are going to understand as we are progressing. Okay, so what next is that I'm going to go to payment.php controller. So here, let's create a function. Let's call that function let's call that function paid invoice. Okay, so I'm going to call that method, let's say, invoice payment. Beautiful. Good. So we need some parameters. I'm going to copy the parameters here. Beautiful. So the parameter, I'm going to say that if param1 is equals to paystack, then do the following. Okay, this is a new file, so we are going to process that. So which means from the invoice page, let's open an invoice page. Okay, all right, so let's leave this for now. So let's go to our views, open student, let's open invoice.php. Okay, beautiful. So here we want to add another column, another form. So I'm going to copy this form here and paste it. Okay, so we need to go to payment controller. We need to pick a method called invoice payment, and the parameter is going to be paystack. Good. This is the parameter. Beautiful. So we are working inside the invoice.php, inside student page. So this is going to be paystack payment, or pay with paystack, either of the two, or how you want to do it. But this time we need another text field. Okay, let's echo out the real amount, because this is the amount that the user want to pay. So I'm going to echo that here. Good. So echo real amount, which is this, and I'm going to call that amount. Beautiful. Hidden. Good. So let's use Sussex for this, info for paper. Beautiful, right? So let's change this to credit card. Awesome, right? But guys, we don't want to display this form, yes, until it is installed as an add-on. So I'm going to say, let's get a variable PHP. I need a variable select paystack from add-on table is equals to this db get where method. We want to select from add-ons table an array where unique key is going to be unique key. I am going to show you now. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so we have add-on key. Okay, so we are still going to use this unique key. So this add-on key, I want to say payment. All right, where add-on key is equals to payment. So which means that when you want to create an add-on for payment gateways, okay, so we are going to be referencing add-on key, but unique key is going to be pay stack. You know, you can have so many payment gateways, okay, but this add-on, we are going to have a single name for payment gateway or payment or gateway. If it is computer based text, we can say computer based text, CBT. Maybe you have added multiple choice and you still want to create an add-on for filling the gap, so it's going to be CBT. Why unique key is going to be filling the gap or multiple choice. Hope you are getting it. It's the pen, it's logical. Okay, so I'm going to reference add-on key. I'm going to use add-on key here, where add-on key and its associated array is equals to payment. Okay, beautiful, and I'm going to put comma, and unique key is associated array is going to be pay stack. So return row okay. So guys, don't worry, let me delete this. Beautiful, I want to delete that. So here okay, so I'm going to say okay, outside here let's open another PHP tag. I want this stuff to be neat. Okay, we can write it here. So I'm going to say if variable select pay stack from, actually select payment gateway. Let's use that. Select payment gateway from add-on table. So if select payment gateway from add-on table is equals to, I'm coming guys, this is where add-on key is equals to payment. I'm trying to get something. Okay, you know what, let's just get, I'm going to get rid of all this guy, this db get add-on then row. Let's use this. Which row do we want to return? Guys, you know what, let me do it this way. Yes, let me do it this way. Guys, this is logical. Okay, I'm just thinking about this right now. Yep, it's very logical. It's very logical. Okay, you know what? I'm sorry. Let's do it this way. Okay, let's return role. So if select payment, let's return role add-on key this. All right, add-on key. If role add-on key is equals let's say payment, and I still want to use this, and select payment gateway from add-ons table. Let's return role unique key is equals pay stack colon. All right, so here I'm going to end if. Good. So which means that I don't want to display this file if it is empty, but if the admin has installed the add-ons and the add-on key is equals to payment, of course let's use payments, and select from add-ons table the unique key is equals to pay stack. That is when I want to display pay with pay stack. So I'm using two keys, add-on key and unique key, to display this. Hope you are getting it. It's logical, but when you take your time to go through it, you are going to get the concept. Okay, so but if the add-on okay, so guys, let's continue from the next video. So thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.